After your physical therapy is over, this is what you gotta do. Like, most important thing. Question of the week. Hi, Winnie. I'm scheduled for a hip replacement and I'm freaking out. I'm only 50 years old and I can't believe I have to have a hip replacement. What is your advice for me? I want to get back to doing all the things I love to do. Great question. This is a great question because I have had 2 hip replacements. One 3 years ago when I was 56, and one a few months ago when I was 59. And I have a lot to say about how to best recover for hip replacements. But the number one thing I want to say is don't freak out. Don't worry. Information is power, and your surgeon and physical therapist is there to help you with this information. We can go deeper into what a hip replacement is and how to prepare for it in another video. But what I want to talk about right now is what you can best do to recover after the surgery, especially with you being 50 years old and wanting to get back to all the things you want to do. The number one thing I would advise you, number one, is there's going to be exercises that you get from your physical therapist after your surgery. At first, they will be very difficult to do, and then they will get easier because you will do them as prescribed. And then once your physical therapy is done, and for some surgeries you get to visit the physical therapist twice, some 5 times, sometimes you just get a handout. Every surgery and every medical plan is different. But after your physical therapy is over, this is what you gotta do. Like, most important thing, don't stop your physical therapy, which we can also call your SMART exercise, which we can also call your daily vitamin. Those mobility, those strengthening, those movements that you did to recover from your surgery is something that you need to keep doing forever. Now, it doesn't have to be super easy. It doesn't have to be super complicated. I have a lot of videos on my channel that go through hip mobility routines. If you would like that video, just drop a comment below. But you need to keep doing your mobility and strength work that you're given after your surgery. And what happens a lot is that people get a hip replacement and then they get their exercises and then they stop doing their exercises. And even maybe the hip pain or limitation is gone, the strength is not there, and you're not back to doing what you love to do, whatever that happens to be. So think of the exercises that you get from your physical therapist, from your surgeon, as your new daily vitamin. And yes, you can make them harder. And yes, so many of the exercises that I teach are harder or more advanced variations of what you would get in the beginning. But the main thing, you want to build that mobility, you want to build that strength, and you want to get into this habit, this ritual of taking care of your body every day. And you'll do that with your physical therapy when you recover from your surgery, but then you got to keep doing it. And it doesn't take forever. It's not like hours a day. I'm talking about like a 3 to 6 minute hip mobility, glute strengthening routine that will really help you stay on top of it. So here's the short answer, because I just gave a super long answer because I love to talk about this stuff, is my highest advice to recover from your hip replacement surgery is to pay attention to the physical therapy exercises that you're given, to work closely with your physical therapist, and to really, really do those exercises as prescribed. And then to continue to do those exercises. And it could be a harder variation or a more interesting variation or a different, atmosphere. Like you could do it in a class, you can do it outside. It doesn't need to be done at home. But don't stop, because that is what is going to lift you up and move you forward to get you to do the things that you want to do. If you have other questions about how to recover or how I recovered from hip replacement surgery, just drop them below. I am here to help and to share my experience. And remember, most of all, please, please, please remember this. Exercise works when you know how to work.